Hi guys, this is Alex. Yep, I'm just gonna do another soccer. And Chase, this is for you. This is the niece, Jelena. Alright. Say hi, Jelena. Hi, Mom. Alright, guys. Just gonna do another soccer. Alright.
Hey, and I'm his brother, Malik. He's so rude he don't tell anybody about me.
Alright, guys. That's pretty much it. See ya.